Well, it's time for me to go on my nature walk. Oh, this is the life. Well, how long have I been walking? 20 minutes. Oh. This long trail ends with 2 other ways to go to continue the route. But I'm not going that far. That's like another 20 minutes. This is a big park anyway. Gregford Park. It's nature trails. Scooters and bikes allowed. I'll take the trail on the right. Alright, where am I? I went through many other ways, but now I'm lost. What am I gonna do? I know, I'll go the other way. Hopefully. Oh, this is a dead end. What is this place? I didn't see it on the way to here. Oh, what am I gonna do? I know! The map! Why didn't I think of it before? Alright. Alright, got it. And what a gorgeous view. I made my way home! Well, back to where I started. Woohoo! And here's an important thing in a nature walk. The sun hidden behind those trees. Well, I'm gonna head home.